హాయ్ గాయ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో మరికొన్ని సమ్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. చూడండి, ఈరోజు ఈ టేబుల్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ టేబుల్ ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు నేర్చుకుంటేనే ఈ సమ్స్ని చేయగలరు, లేకపోతే ఈ సమ్స్ని చేయలేరు. ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ టేబుల్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ని నేర్చుకోండి గాయస్. నేర్చుకుంటేనే ఈ సమ్స్ మీరు బాగా చేయగలరు. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ గురించి మరొక 2 వీడియోలు ముందు పోస్ట్ చేశాను. ఒకవేళ దాన్ని మీరు చూడకపోతే ఈ వీడియో యొక్క డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంచాను. ఆ వీడియోస్ని చూడండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, నేర్చుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ చూపించిన టేబుల్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఎలా వస్తాయి, అది ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈరోజు మన టాస్క్. అందులో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, ఎవల్యూట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. దీని మీదే ఈరోజు మనం సమ్స్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ సమ్, secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30. దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎవల్యూట్ చేయాలి. హౌ టు ఎవల్యూట్ దిస్? ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్ గాయస్. టేబుల్లో చూడండి, secant 60 వాల్యూ ఎంత? వాట్ ఈస్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ secant 60? Secant 60 value is 2 and tan 60 value is √3. Here squares are applied on both values, that's why we have to apply squares. Divided by, what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 value is half, plus here plus cos 30 value is √3 by 2. Here also both sides squares applied, that's why we have to apply squares. That equal to 2 square is 4 and √3 square is root and 2 cancelled, that's why 3 by 1 square 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1 square 1 and 2 square 4 plus √3 square equal to 3 like this, and 2 square is 4. After this 4 minus 3 is 1 and here 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus denominators are same, that's why I have to add 3 plus 1 equal to 4 and 4 denominators, that's why 4 by 4 1 are 4 1 are equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. That means 1 by 1 equal to 1. So 1 is the answer for this. Are you understood guys? Second problem, same, evaluate the following. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. We have to solve this at present. What is the value of cos 45 in this table? See, what is the value? 1 by √2 is the value of cos 45 by, what is the value of secant 30 in this? Secant 30 value is 2 by √3 plus cosecant 60 value is 2 by √3. Here we also said secant is reciprocal for cosecant and cosecant is reciprocal for secant, that's why √3 and secant 30 value and cosecant 60 value is same, that's why 2 by √3. That means we have to multiply it on reverse, that's why 1 by √2 into here reciprocal, understand, reciprocal √3 by 4. We have to understand why this came, because 2 plus 2 4 and root 3 same denominators, that's why we have to write that only. 4 by root 3 reciprocal and write as root 3 by 4. After this we have to multiply root 3 equal to 4 root 3. That is the answer for this. Very simple guys. When you have learned the table, it is very simple. And second sum is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees. Are you understand question guys? Try after that see video. I want to say the answer for this. 2 into what is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 value is 1. We have to apply square here plus and cos 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 30 degrees? Root 3 by 2 is value of cos 30 degrees and we have to apply square here, and minus is also applicable and we have to put minus, and sin 30 degrees. What is the value of sin? 60 degrees. It's not 30 degrees, it's 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. We have to apply square. Here it directly cancel because plus minus 3 root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. That's why you have to cancel simply. And 2 into 1 square is 1 and answer is 2. Are you understood guys? It's very simple. I want to see whole answer how to do. See guys. Fourth sum ni మనం ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం guys. That is sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Here the values we have to see how to do this. First of all you learn table, that's why we have to do simple and easily. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30. And what is the value of tan 45? 1 is the value of tan 45. And we put the same symbol, here is also plus and here is also plus sign. After that here is minus and minus cosecant 60 degrees. What is the value of cosecant 60 degrees? 2 by root 3 is the cosecant 30 degree 60 degrees value, and we have to put divided. And what is the value of cot 45? Cot gent we simply write as cot, we also know guys. And what is the value of cot 45? 1. And here tan 45 and cos 45 cot 45 value is equal because they are reciprocals. After that we have to plus the both cot 45 and cos 60 because here plus symbol there. And what is the value of cos 60 degrees? 1 by 2 is the value of cos 60 degrees. We have to apply minus symbol. And what is the value of secant 30 degrees? 2 by root 3 is the value of secant 30 degrees. After that 3 by root 2. How I am write this? Are you understand? 3 by root 2 I wrote it because 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. Are you understand guys? 2 ones are 2. This is mixed fraction. I converted into as usual fraction that we used. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. Are you understand? Here we have to write same 2 by root 3 divided by, here also same 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. We have to write simply minus 2 by root 3. After this we have to simplify this, that's why we have to subtract both of them, that's why 3 root 3, that's why 3 root 3 root 3. After that 2, that's why 4, and same denominator we have to take LCM for both of these, that LCM is 2 root 3, and we have to, and subtract this both, this answer came, and we have to subtract this also. When we subtract this, 3 root 3 minus 4, 2 root 3, these both are same, that's why I wrote simply. After this we have to multiply them, both of them, because they are in denominator. When it reciprocal, it comes to multiplicative. Here see guys, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 by 3 root 3 minus 4. Ones are. So here answer came 1 by 1 equal to 1. 1 is the answer for this. Are you understood guys? See clearly once again. This is the sum guys, and we have to go and the sum, that's why. And for fifth sum in this session, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan 45 degrees. How to solve this? Don't worry guys, I will solve. 2 into what is the value of tan 30 degrees? Is that value coming to your brain? Okay, I will write 1 by root 3. After that 1 plus what is the value of 45? What is the value of tan 45 degrees? We simply write it 1. After this, we here 2 by 1 and denominator is not there, that's why 2 by root 3. After this denominator not there, 2, that's why here is 2. We have to multiply them both. 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. Why I write 1 by 2? Are you understand? Because if 2 is there, here the value is 2 by 1. When it reciprocal, 1 by 2 came. After this, we have to multiply it, and 2 by 2 root 3 came. It is the answer for this. Are you understand guys? See once again the whole sum in this space. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Meet in next video with some other problems, and we have to do it easily. You will understand easily. If you like this video, share to your friends with WhatsApp and Facebook and other messengers. Meet in next video. Bye.